And we're live, still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Baru mendengar pengalaman. Parang ako ba? Nabangga ko.
Pangit nga pag nagagano ako.
First five on Guimaras. First five, all speed.
Rep. Rep.
Wala pa yung mga player naman, ma.
Pasok ka. Hindi mo hintay yung rep. Ano ako, hindi mo ay magpapaligan. Hintay mo na mga oras na.
First five on speed. CJ Bartolome Urbano.
Sino 16? Jomong? Jomong? Sino 16?
Tama.
And Tanaya.
Tanaya Bartolome.
First five on Guimaras.
Nagbago ng jersey ng
Urbano din. Keyboard. Pagod ng sulat, pa-keyboard. Keyboard.
Ball game rep. It's violation on the spin. Guimaras ball, Guimaras. Inbound on Guimaras.
Sige, anong puntan? Bartolome. CJ.
CJ? Ano sa...
Nice dive. Wow! Turnover on Guimaras.
Rosal. Kaya bola, tingnan mo bola ba?
Jen Rosario.
Rosal.
Okay, ready?
Gawin mo na number mo.
It's Guimaras versus the spin. Bartolome. Tanaya. Back to Bartolome. Guys, defense of Kabakang. It's Kabakang time. Kabakang all the way. Now it's 2-0. It's Guimaras versus the spin. Bartolome. To CJ. Espiritu. Now it's to Bartolome. Bartolome drive. Turn pocket. Side step. Steal again by Guimaras. It's Rosal. Rosal to Kabakang fake side step. Looking for Rosal, 3-point shot. Too strong by Rosal. Now Bartolome. To Urbano. Back to Bartolome, 14 to shoot. Urbano all alone. Short. Rebound on Guimaras. Now Guimaras now all the way to 6 up to the post, too strong top. Rebound again on Luzbin. Tania. Espiritu. To Bartolome. Urbano. 1-1. Urbano drive. Urbano looking for Bartolome. 14 to shoot. Bartolome. 10.
Napagupit si Bartolome.
Urbano. At 5. Short. Rebound on Guimaras. Now Kabakang. Where are you? Espiritu. Now 4-0. 4-point lead now on Guimaras. Urbano. This is Luspin versus Guimaras. Our second game, Urbano again. Oh! Miscommunication again by Luspin. Now, Kabakang, Gardini Bartolome. Foul! Uspanep. Foul on number 13 on Espirito. First on Espirito. First team foul, Luspin. Bang! Now 6-4. What a shot coming from Benito. 7 minutes and 15. Bartolome. Steal again by Benito. Kapakang 1-1 by the assassin. Kapakang move. Bang on Kapakang. Timeout. Oh, Luspin means 8-0 run. Coming from Guimaras.
8, 9. Dos, di ba? 7 kanina galing tayo 7.
Puro rapad niya. Para hindi.
7 minutes.
8 tayo.
8 against 0. Okay.
Keep passing.
Okay.
Now Urbano. Kanin by Kabakang. Alright, steal again. Now Kabakang. Kabakang. Oh, short. Rebound. Now Bartolome. Urbano. All alone. Short. Top. Rebound. Foul.
Oh no!
Foul on number 1 on Guimaras.
Benito.
Benito. First on Benito. First team foul on Guimaras. Bartolome, top. It's Kabakang. Kabakang all the way. Kabakang. Now 10-0. It's a 0 run coming from Guimaras. Now Urbano. Kadi by Kabakang to Urbano. Move to Bartolome. Bartolome. Too strong. Dapat Benito. 6 minutes. Short. Rebound by Urbano. Now Urbano. Guarded by Kabakang. Looking for Espirito. Espirito. Top again. Still on Kabakang. Kabakang. Bye. Not again. Big. Yes. Now 12 against 0. All by Guimaras. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. This is our second game. Our second match. Tantayana. Thanks to rubbing by 11 on Tantayana. What a defense coming from Cool Warriors Guimaras. Now Kabakang. Back to Kabakang. Rosal. Nice play. 14 to shoot. Kabakang move. Kabakang open jump. Bang! Kabakang. Now Bartolome. 1-on-1 by Kabakang. Fake. Bartolome. Foul. Foul on Kabakang. First against Kabakang. Second team foul on Guimaras. 14 against 0. A shot on Bartolome. It's 14-1. In and out. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Guimaras. Third team foul against Guimaras.
14.
First on Quitones. Urbano. Bartolome. Side pocket. Too strong. Rebound on Rosal. Pakibot. Again short. Bartolome. CJ. Big. Again foul. Foul again on number 1 on Benito. Second on Benito. Warning for penalty on Guimaras. It's 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Now 2-14. Shot coming from Espiritu. Now 3-14. It's 11-point lead on Guimaras. Now Kabakang will sell the play. 14 to shoot. Kabakang to Rosal. Back to Kabakang. 10 to shoot. Short. Espiritu. Now Urbano. 3-2. Urbano to tingnan niya. Oh! What about now? 5 against 14. Back to 9-point lead on Guimaras.
Pag napasa bola dito, kick out sa ganito. Pero masyadong lubog! Ito na lalaro mo, Fred.
Benito. Short. Ibang by Rosal. Wow! What a play! Fake! Di ba again? Benito. Oh! Benito! It's 16 to 5. Back to 11-point lead on Guimaras. Now Bartolome. CJ. Back to Bartolome. 14 to shoot. Bartolome. Boom. In and out. Rebound again on Guimaras. It's Kapakatap. Now it's Guimaras. It's 3-on-1. Nice fake. Pipino. Too strong. Urbano is there. 3 minutes. Foul. Foul on Kabakang. Penalty rep. Penalty. Second personal foul against Kabakang.
Ito lang yun, pagpasa dito, usot sa ilalim, mas anday nyo lang muna gumalaw. Huwag muna kayong
It's 3 minutes first quarter.
sa ilalim. So, laging dito yung
Now 6 against 16. It's 10-point lead on Guimaras.
problema din. Basta kaya. Okay? Ay ba to?
Now 7 to 16. 9-point lead on Guimaras. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Second game. Our second match for the inter-province category. Now Kabakang move. Foul on number 17 on Pakibot. Second team foul on Lesbi. First on Pakibot. Kabakang. Itodes. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound by Telaya. Now Bartolome, 1-on-1. Nice ball. Still by Kabakang. It's 4-2. Kabakang. Side step Kabakang. In and out. Top. It's same ball. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 14 set clock. All by Luspin now. It's 7 against 16. Inbounding Guimaras. Top. Now Rosal. Titoses again. Short top. Rebound on Espiritu.
Playing format to be recognizable.
Unsportsmanlike foul on number 14 on Titoses.
Gila.
Technical free throw by Espiritu.
Malit ang tawag.
Pasok.
Di sila mag-ref, sabihin mo. Sabihin ko, kaya na mag-ref. Nagkapag-init eh.
Time out! On Guimaras, this time out is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, Tui, and the Inkers. 1 minute and 43 seconds, our first quarter. It's Luspin against Guimaras, Cool Warriors. Back to the ball game,
Yeah, dalawa pa lang. Foul nyo, dalawa. 2 teams foul pa kayo.
Both teams now have 2 timeouts. It's 1 minute 43 seconds remaining time first quarter. It's Guimaras School Warriors versus the Spin Knights. It's Gimaras ball, yellow ball. Out of position, yellow ball.
Tingin na mo.
1 minute and 36 seconds. Rosal. Back to Tumulak. Rosal, 10 to shoot. Rosal, let it fly. Short. Rebound on Urbano. It's 2-1. Urbano to Bartolome. Bartolome! Short! Kabagang! To Tumulak. It's 4-2. Benito, block by CJ. Now Pakibot. It's 3-1. Nice pass. Urbano. Now 10 to 16 is 6-point lead on Gimaras. Tumulak.
Ang sunang bola nito.
Short. 40 seconds. It's 16 to 10. Urbano. Now, rebound on Tumulak to Kabagang. It's all the way. Kabagang now. 1-1-2. Kabagang. Oh, ininatag Kabang. 25 seconds. Urbano. It's 21 seconds, 21.
Okay lang kahit di ba score, walang problema. Last shot tayo.
21 seconds. Now, Rosal. To Kabagang. 15. 10. 5. 1 second. Foul on number 17 on Pakibot. Third on Luspim. Second personal foul on Pakibot. 1 second. Now 17 to 10. And of our first quarter, our score 17 to 10. Favor of Gimaras. Second quarter ready, second quarter. What a ball game coming from Gimaras against the speed. Second quarter up, second quarter up. It's Luspin ball, Luspin. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Luspin ball, Luspin.
Domingo.
Mahirap na basahin sila.
Now, Pasya. Looking for Domingo. Back to Pasya, Pasya. Now, Floren. Floren mo, 1-1 to Sola. Intercepted again by Capiles. All alone, left-handed mo. Wow! Too strong. Now, Sagon. Sagon time, Sagon time, Sagon. Floren short. Rebound by Pasya. Tap. Now, Capriles. Same time, same move. Wow! It's now Domingo. Sagon. Back to Santos. Santos move. Rebound. Intercept on the Amboy. Amboy. Looking for Capriles. Capriles now. It's third time alone. Foul. Foul on Pasya. First on Pasya. First team foul on Luspin. It's 17 to 10. Now 18 to 10. (21) 19 to 10. It's 9-point lead on Gimaras. Now Pasya. Sagon. Foul. Blocking foul on Capriles. First on Capriles. First team foul on Gimaras. It's 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Now Pasya to Sagun. 14 to shoot. Oh, miscommunication on Los Beam. Now 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Capriles. Piratero. Pink. Air Soul. Short. Rebound on Floren. Tagil by Amarillo. Now Santos. He's still by Piratero. Now Sagun. Yes, on Sagun. It's now 12 against 19. Amarillo. Whoa, Amarillo. 21 to 12. Back to 11-point lead on Gimaras. Pasya. Domingo. Bang! On Sunday, Domingo. 21-15. 6-point lead on Gimaras. Cabriles, foul. Foul on number 8 on Domingo. First on Domingo. Second team foul on Lusming. Inbounding Amarillo. Looking for Cabriles. Piratero. 14 to shoot. Cabriles. 10. Piratero. Too strong. Rebound by Sol. In and out. Amarillo. It's Lusming ball. 7 minutes. Only 6-point lead on Gimaras. 21 against 15. Now Santos. The Amboy. Amboy now. It's Amboy. Drive by Amboy. Coast to coast. Looking for Capriles to Sol. In and out again by Sol. It's Pasya. Looking for Domingo. It's 4-2. Looking for Floren. Bang! Floren. Now 17 to 21. Sol. Foul. Foul on number 22. More on Santos. 13 foul on Lusming. First against Santos. It's 6 minutes and 28 seconds. 2 free throws shot for Piratero. 21 against 270. Only 4-point lead on Gimaras. Now 22 against 17. Now Pasya. Pasya time. It's Pasya. Looking for Piratero. It's same ball. 18 to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and 10. Santos. Pasya. Domingo. Back to Pasya. Too strong. Rebound by Sagun. Short. It's Amarillo. Piratero. Drive. Looking for Amarillo. Kick out pass. The Amboy. Short. It's Lusming ball. 4 minutes and 41 seconds. 4-point lead on Gimaras. Now Pasya. Nice move. Yes. On the timeout. On Gimaras. It's 22 against 19. Only 3-point lead on Lusming. Gimaras. It's 22 against 19. Only 3-point lead on Gimaras. Inbounding Capriles to Amboy. Sol. Kick out pass. Piratero. Too strong. Foul. It's double foul on number 4, Floren. And Amarillo of Gimaras. Now Lusming, warning for penalty Lusming. Second team foul on Gimaras.
Pwede si Amarillo. Amarillo.
Amarillo. Both.
Piratero. Amboy, 14 na sa clock. Capriles. 10 to shoot. Capriles drive. Nice move, Floren. It's Domingo. It's Sagon, 1-1. Sagon, short by Sagon. It's rebound by Amarillo. Now Capriles. 3 minutes and 30. Top. Sol, side step. Foul. Damn. Basket down and 1 on Air Sol. Foul on number 24 on Santos. Second on Santos. Now Luzmin on penalty.
Post mo yan. Ipopost natin yan.
Foul on number 4 on Floren. Second on Floren. Second on Floren. Now Luzmin on penalty. Nice shot by the Soul Train. 25-19. Pasya.
Sagon, ikaw magdala.
To Santos. Domingo. Scale. Short. Rebound on Pasya. Oh! Ano mo by Pasya? 21. Against the 25. Ibang 2-4-point lead on Guimaras.
Naman sa screen.
Now Capiles. Amarillo.
Hands up.
Drive. Yes on Amarillo. It's 27 to 21. Capiles again. It's Capiles 3-2. Capiles Bob. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Sagon. Penalty. First personal foul on Sagon. And 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Short. Back to back short. Rebound by Floren. Now Domingo. Top. Now Santos. Now Sol. Foul. Foul on Pasya. Penalty rep.
Coach. Okay dun, coach. Coach. Good to coach. Bumalik. Okay yun, bumalik. Coach, okay yun.
Penalty rep. Penalty. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Nice shot of Piratero. Now 28. Against the 21. Two minutes and 20. Now 29 to 21. It's 8-point lead on Guimaras. Pasya.
Sagon, ikaw magdala.
To Domingo. Pasya again. Floren. 1-1 by Sol. Floren drive. Pasya. Black. Intercepted by Amarillo. It's Piratero to Capiles. 1-1 by Sagon. Nice move. Capiles again. 14 to shoot. Soul Train drive. It's same ball. 14 seconds. 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Inbounding Capiles. Piratero. Fake. Drive. Move. Short. Nice deep on Santos. Fake again. Fake. Soul Train. 31 to 21. It's 10-point lead now on Guimaras. Santos. Now Sagon. Fake. Is it a drive? Pass to Santos. Yes on Santos. 23 to 31. 9-point lead by Guimaras. 1 minute. Now Capriles. And Capriles moved up. Rebound by Pasya. Baseball pass to Domingo. It's 2-1. Sagon 1-1. Sagon drive. Sagon side step. It's foul. Foul on number 8 on Soul Train. 13 foul on Guimaras. First again Soul Train. 46 seconds. 46 seconds. Pasya. Fake. Side step. Too strong. Rebound is foul. Foul on number 24 on Santos. Penalty rat.
Second.
Second on Santos. "38 seconds, 38.
Papa nakita niya.
Short. Rebound tap by Santos. Floren. 30 seconds. Pasya. Now Santos. Now Pasya. 24 seconds. Domingo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Sunday, Domingo! Piratero. Too strong. 10 seconds. Floren. 5 seconds.
Gusto gas. Ay,
Oh, Floren! 28 to 31. It's another third quarter, second quarter score. It's 31 to 28. All by Guimaras. Third quarter ready, third quarter.
not bad. We're only 3 points late.
Warning on Luspin for delay in the game. Warning on Luspin for delay in the game. Third quarter, third quarter. It's Guimaras ball, Guimaras.
Ayun, hindi ko Urbano.
Oh, pwede na kayo mag-sub, sir. 5 minutes, ha? 5 minutes, half tayo. Oh, 5 minutes, pwede tayo magkahawa. Ang di nakalaro. Guimaras ball, Guimaras. Yellow ball. Nice move. To Raymond. Still by Santos. It's Bartolome. Back to Santos. It's to one. Urbano pick. Urbano back to Santos. Still again by Guimaras. It's 3 on 2. 2 on 2. Drive. In and out. Foul on number 13 on Espirito. First team foul on Luspin.
Second.
Second personal foul on Espirito. Bang! Now 34 against the 38. It's 6-point being back to Guimaras. Florent Bartolome. 14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 15 on Guimaras. First team foul on Guimaras. First personal foul on number 15. Now Bartolome. Urbano, 10 to shoot. Santos. Espirito, 5 to shoot. It's 24 shot clock violation, 24. Nice defense against Guimaras.
Kaysa sa kanya. Naglalaro.
Tingin lang pagkatapos ng laro. Tingin pagkatapos ng laro. Ngayon mo lang.
Alam niya yan.
Hindi alam mo.
Nice pass! It's Luspin ball. Luspin, 8 minutes! 34 to 28. Espirito. Now Urbano. 14 to shoot. Espirito. Floren. Nice move by Floren. Block by Domigay. It's 1-1. Top. Now it's CJ. Pass move. Short top again. It's top by Santos. CJ. JJ Mo, foul! Foul on number 24. Second team foul on Guimaras. First on number 24. Short, 7 minutes and 31 seconds.
Box out.
15 points.
Now 29 against the 34. It's 5-point lead on Guimaras. Now Sela play, move, nice pass outside, kick out pass, 3-point shot, bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 37 to 29. It's 8-point lead back to Guimaras. Santos, Espirito, sidestep, drive, too strong, rebound again by Guimaras. All alone, drive, short. Same ball, 14% shot clock, 14.
Nice!
In and out, top.
Pader.
Again, in and out. Technical foul on Floren. Orelo. Sisyon tayo. Sige, Espirito. Nakita na referee, wag na.
Kunin mo bola, gitna. Alvarez, buhayin mo na, buhayin.
Sir, wala nga sir, nakita na referee na. Wag na tayo. Sir, ang nanong nakita na referee, sir. Pangit, sir, kasi referee nga nakita si referee. Kaya nga ang nakita sa referee, yung tayo, sir. Referee tayo, sir. Kaya wala tayong kasi referee tayo, sir. Kung anong nakita last, yun tayo, sir. Tindahan natin laro, sir. Wag na, maayos na laro natin. Ayusin natin.
Parang championship.
It's nice ball, nice ball. Ball game tayo, sir, ball game. Enjoy tayo. Now CJ. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Espirito! 37 to 32 na, 5-point lead on Guimaras. Whoa! 39 against 232. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Floren. Nice play. Boom. Floren. Urbano. Air ball. It's Guimaras.
Baba na!
Now, turnover again on Lusbing. 5 minutes and 22 seconds.
Bawi lang, gilid mo sabi.
Now, Bartolome. Urbano. Pass to Santos. Yes! On Santos. 34 against the 39.
Bang!
Short. Rebound on CJ. Nice pass to Bartolome on Bartolome. Time out. Against Guimaras. It's 39 to 36. Only 3-point lead on Guimaras. 4 minutes and 50 seconds, 39 to 36. Ball game, ref, ball game. Only 3-point lead on Guimaras. Now Tumulak. Nice break, 1-1. Bang! 41 to 36 is 5-point lead now on Guimaras. Urbano. Top, play Floren. Bartolome, 14 to shoot. Escape, top, Santos. Wow! Radana. 38 to 41 now. Back to 3-point lead on Guimaras.
Sure pass.
Luwang.
Again, same spot, short. Rebound by Floren. Now Urbano. Urbano coast to coast, side step foul. Foul on number 24 now, 13 foul on Guimaras.
Number 2.
Two free throw shot coming from Urbano. 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Guys,
4-1 against the 38. Last free throw shot by Urbano. Now 39 to 41. It's 2-point lead on Guimaras. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Tumulak, 14 to shoot. Tumulak drive. 10 to shoot.
Open.
5. Shot clock violation 24. It's 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Bartolome, 3 minutes. Espirito. Nice pass to Bartolome. It's 41-all. Second deadlock of the game. 41-all.
Oh, yes,
Tumulak. Sub-rep, substitution.
Tol. Ano pangalan nito?
Sub-rep, sub.
Anda nakita na kay.
Sub-rep, sub.
Para kapag ano,
Ibigay, Petro. Ibigay. Now 42 to 41. (43 to 41). It's 2-point lead on Guimaras. 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
pre, ilalim, pre.
Balik kayo mamaya. Balik kayo mamaya.
10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 15. Warning for penalty on Guimaras.
Palmarin.
Sub-rep, sub.
Palmarin second.
Sagon. Urbano. It's a ball. 14 the set shot clock. 14. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Sagon. Side step. Nice defense. Top. Now Kabagang. It's 2-1. Kabagang. Nice pass. Yes, now 45 to 41. Back to 4-point lead on Guimaras.
Ilalim.
Port na port.
Para ilalim.
Sagon. Foul. Penalty rep. Foul on number 15. Penalty rep.
15, third person.
Third personal foul on number 15. Palmaren. Now 42 to 45. It's 3-point lead on Gimaras. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Knocks out. Shooter.
Now 43 to 45. Only 2-point lead on Gimaras.
Tanya!
Takbo. Good pass.
Kabakam. Sumulak. Now Urbano. 50 seconds. Bang! 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 Oh! Second now 46 to 45. Foul on Urbano. Second team foul on Luzmin. 37 seconds.
Para second.
Second on Urbano. 37 seconds.
Huwag mo ibababa yung bola sa iba. Kayo lang ni ano. Kasi trinatrap kayo.
Second team foul on Luzmin. Second team foul.
Babayin mo yung number 2. Tingin bola. Kunin mo bola. Dalawa kayo dyan.
Hawak lang, sila.
Bigyan lang muna.
Kamay, hapin, kamay ha.
Ayun na.
14 to shoot.
Malmarin, bola.
10.
Bola.
It's 20 seconds. 20. 15. Ah, 47, 46. 5 seconds. Ah. Penalty rep, penalty rep. Foul on number 15 on Pilihan nyo.
Palmaren.
4 seconds more. 47, 46.
Fourth na.
Fourth personal foul on Palmarin. Warning on Palmarin. Now 47 all. 47.
Wala, 48.
1 point lead now.
No ball,
On the
no ball.
screen. Basket net count. Basket net count. It's 48 to 47. Fourth quarter ready, Tara. Fourth quarter. Luspin ball, Luspin. Sige na. Luspin ball, Luspin.
Left, let's spin ball, let's spin.
Fourth quarter, fourth. Pair tayo. Pasok, pasok. Pito yung rep, pito rep. Bigay ba rep? Bartolome.
Dalawa kayo.
Too strong. Rebound ng Piretero. Cabriles.
Talaga totoong laban.
Kapagal. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! One Kapagang. It's 50 to 48. 2-point lead on Gimaras. Bartolome, Garnipe Capiles, Urbano, CJ, rebound on Piretero, Capiles, 1-1, Aston Piretero, tap, rebound, intercept, now it's 2-1, tap by Sol, nice defense on Sol Train, it's 50 to 48, 2-point lead on Gimaras. Now Bartolome.
Kunting sibak lang.
Garnipe Capiles, Urbano, short, rebound on Gimaras. Now, Cabriles to Pitritero. Pitritero drive side circle by Santos. Fake. Kick out pass. Same spot. Kabakang. Too strong. Rebound on TCJ. Urbano. 3-2. All on Cabriles. Second on Cabriles. First on Guimaras.
It's okay.
Too strong. Now it's 3-2. Cabriles na Cabriles. Intercept by Urbano. Pow!
Benito third.
Gab, tira Gab! Let's go tayo! Category number 1!
Unsportsmanlike foul on number 1 on Benito. Substitution step.
Ayun na, Benito.
Third.
Third personal foul on Benito. Second on Guimaras. 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Laging kasi unang pasa mo yan. Saling naman. Saling naman. Nice one.
Now 49 to 50. It's 1 point lead on Guimaras. Bartolome. 14 to shoot. 10. Floren. Black. Piritero. Now, Espirito. Bartolome. Foul. Foul on Kabakang. Third team foul on Guimaras. Third personal foul on Kabakang. Basket substitution, Terep. Basket substitution.
Nice.
Maya, sir. Dalawa pito, sir.
50 all. 50 all. Basket substitution. Substitution, sub. Now 51. Sub rep, sub. Now Rosal. Kabakang. Benito. Rebound on Espirito. Urbano, Lolon, Lepalon, the assassin, Bartolome, 53 against 50. Now 3-point lead on Lustig. Soul Train, 1-1, Soul Train. Drive, sa, foul. Foul on number 4 on Floren. First on Lustig. Third personal foul on Floren. In 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Basket substitution there pa. Sabrek substitution there. 51 against the 53. 2-point lead on the speed.
Upo tayo. Coach lang tayo, sir.
Lauren.
Yes, on Floren. Now 55 to 51. 4-point lead na on the speed.
Sumulag. Kabakang.
Kabakang. 14 to shoot.
Sumulag. Sol.
10. Rebound by Rosal. Is same ball.
Same ball.
Who's last attempt? Correction is Lustig ball, Lustig. 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Sagon. 14 to shoot. Urbano. 10.
Time out kami.
Time out on Luspin. It's 4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Pin ka na siguro. Bilis mo.
Back to the ball game, rep. Back to the ball game.
Pagka 55 pa naman dun. Bata yung ilaw.
Sagon.
Pre, kitang-kita.
Sa kanila pagka.
Foul. Foul on Sagon. 0 po tayo, 0 po. Out technical ko kayo. Opo, isa lang dito. Isa lang. 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bigay, lalim.
14 to shoot. Air ball. Now, CJ.
Sa kanila dun na 55 na. Siyempre.
4 minutes.
Lalim.
10 to shoot.
Nice ball.
Yes, on CJ.
Bantay mo, huwag mo iwan yan.
3 minutes and 58 seconds. 57 to 51.
Sige, tuloy lang. Teka ka lang dyan.
Yes, also. 53-57. 4-point lead on the speed. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Nice, Agun.
Short. Top by Rosal. Kabagang.
Kuha na foul.
3 minutes and 20.
Kaya, gitna.
14 to shoot. Kabagang. Rebound on Sagon. It's Sagon, 1 and 1. Pwede tumulak. 3 minutes.
Baba, doon lang kayo.
Mahinang nila lang.
Oh! Santos!
Ya Allah.
Sap.
Time out on Gimaras. It's 59 against the 53. 2 minutes and 51 seconds.
Prep. Bilis.
Kunti na lang.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Ano yung bayad niya? Tuto.
Yeah. 2,250.
Kunin mo yung dito.
Sige lang. Dito ka umupo ka. Dito, okay lang po.
2 minutes and 51 seconds.
Isa.
Last 2.
Punta ka.
10 to shoot. Kabagan.
Hindi, umupo ka ba?
Bang on Kabagang. It's 59 to 55. 4-point lead on the speed. Fourteen to shoot. 10. Bang! The dagger! 62 against 65. 7-point lead now on the speed.
Upo tayo, sir. Kunin yung run. Balik ko doon.
1 minute and 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. Black by Kabagang. It's Gimaras ball. Gimaras, 1 minute and 34 seconds. Sub, rep, sub.
1 minute, 34 seconds lang.
Sir, upo tayo, upo. Warning ako kayo. Titignan ko kayo. Coach lang dyan, coach.
Nick, unik. Bola.
Trap! Sayo, Will!
Piritano.
Yun.
Foul. Foul on Espiritu. Warning for third team foul on the team. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Third team foul on the team.
Nauna siya rin yung
Yes, now it's 57 against to 62.
Kaya!
Piritano. Short. CJ. 1 minute. It's offensive foul on CJ. Warning for penalty on the team. Warning for penalty. 59 seconds. Third personal foul on CJ.
Taas!
Perantero. 50 seconds. Yo! 59 against the 62. It's 3-point lead now on the speed. 30 seconds. It's double dribble. 31 seconds. 31.
Pressure pa!
31 timeout on the speed.
Third. Isa pa.
Pressure, lapis. Last seconds na to.
Oh, wala nang i-timeout, wala nang i-timeout.
Wala muna kasi
31 seconds. 31.
wala na si Jay.
No timeout left on the speed.
Pressure ha.
31 seconds left. Rep. 31 seconds. Rep.
Pressure.
Foul. Warning for penalty on Gimaras. Fourth.
Sabay.
On.
Bakit yun mo nandun, no?
Injury kanina.
Kaya pa, ba't may nakatambay doon sa ano?
Injury yan kanina, sir. Di pa naka...
Foul on Urbano. Penalty rep. Penalty rep.
Point na. Foul kanina.
Now, loose penal penalty. 21 seconds. 62 to 59. It's 3-point lead on the spin.
Philip. Ano po?
Black by Bloren. 15. Foul. 12 seconds. 12. Penalty rep. Penalty. BRF. 12 seconds.
Nice one.
62 to 59. 62 against the 59. 12 seconds. Penalty rep. Penalty. 8 seconds. 8 seconds.
Dalawa, Nick. Dalawa. Tama pa ako, di ba?
8 seconds.
Nice, Nick.
Dalawa lang dito.
Ay, isa lang.
8 seconds. 8.
Get one. Grab, gilid ah. Big foul. End one. Foul. Big foul.
1 second.
Lalag. Check. 1 second pa.
And It's 63 against the 61.